Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab further 3.4 and we are going to set the default boot target. So you are the system administrator and your Linux server is not functioning properly. To begin your troubleshooting process, you have decided to boot your server into rescue mode. So in this lab, your task is to set the default target to rescue target. Verify that the current default target is rescue target. So I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start lab. So we just wait for the lab to load. So in case you need a detailed video guide on how to solve any of the tests at lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership where you have insider spec and a detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the tests at lab. So we just wait for the lab to load. Alright, so this lab has loaded successfully. Let's go ahead and open terminal. So we type in system ctl space set dash d default space rescue dot target and you press enter, and then you type in system ctl space get dash default, you press enter, and we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Consider joining my professional membership where you get insider spec on how to solve any of the tests at lab. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.